Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the right moment. Open Messages to create or refine your Memoji, then switch to the camera or FaceTime app. Make sure the True Depth camera is active. It tracks facial expressions. Once done, enable the Memoji or Animoji overlay and grant camera and microphone permissions so animation maps to your voice. You'll see your Memoji mirror facial movement immediately. Use moderate lighting. This helps the sensor grab small expressions and keeps the avatar responsive while you record. You're now recording. Select the Memoji you want and center your face in the frame so the filter tracks accurately. Tap record and speak with clear, intentional phrasing. Vary tone and pace to animate lips and brows naturally. Use small head turns and controlled expressions. Those micro movements make the avatar believable. If you need retakes, stop and replay immediately. Make incremental changes to timing or distance, because tiny shifts in angle change, tracking quality. Finish by trimming and exporting the clip from photos or directly share it. If you need better audio, replace or enhance sound in an editor, and then align it with the visuals so lips match speech. For persistent tracking issues, first clean the True Depth sensor and add more diffused lighting, then restart the app. Restarting the device resolves stubborn calibration errors. If nothing works, recreate the Memoji or try a different pose. Small changes often fix alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.